Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an Excel tip or an Excel inbuilt function to get financial market information. So before we start, we're going to get a warning from the Microsoft Excel itself saying that the financial market information is provided as if and not for professional or trading purposes or advice, but it will give you an advice for you guys to do research or analyze to get some information, right? So how to get stock information, meaning trading stocks like NASDAQ. So this is the Excel guide. So before we start, so this will be the intro, and let's move into the how to get the data analysis. So if you go here, now I have got some data from NASDAQ listed company or US companies here. I have their name and I have the ticker, meaning the ticker symbol, and I have the ticker stock symbol here as well. I have added two columns because this function that I'm going to use requires either the name or the ticker, but if you have the ticker it would be better. So I'm going to use column C, this one over here. So how do we use this inbuilt function? Okay, so on the top, let's just close this disclaimer, and on the top menu bar you see home, insert, row, page layout, formulas. Click on data, and inside this, if you go to the third section, like not data query, refresh on this tab, right? It has stocks, currencies, and geography. So today we're going to talk about this stocks part. So for this to work, now we have a series of companies here with the respective ticker. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to select this entire column with the respective ticker symbol on it, and I'm just going to click on stocks, right? As simple as that. Just click on it and it will automatically it'll automatically formulate something like this, show card. Okay, so once you click show card, it will show you, for example, American Airlines. It will show you the price, which exchange, last traded price, change, the highs and the lows, previous close, 52-week high, 52-week low, and it just gives you all the information here, and the description, employee headquarters, and whatever you require. So manually you can just click on it and it'll come to the first column, 52 weeks high, right? But let's insert a column and we give you show card, and let's say you want the NASDAQ or you want the price, just click on it and the price will come here. Okay, so this would be the price. But the other way to get the information without going to the show card, you click, let's say I want to take the 52-week high figure for American Airlines. So I'm going to click equal sign here, right? And I'm going to select this ticker stocks for American Airlines, and then a drop down field will come here. So you enter a period symbol or a full stop. Then let's say you want the 52-week high, you click on it. There you go, 52-week high is $16.50. If you click the show card again, it will show you 52-week high is $16.50. There you go. So now, oh, this should be low, so I'm just gonna change this to low. Same thing, I'm gonna click equal, I'm gonna select C2, and I'm gonna see if it will be low. Click enter. There you go, you got it. Now let's say I want this for the entire sheet. I have to just drag it. Simple as that. I have to just drag it. Now let's say I want the beta value or the beta. So again, I click C2, click period, and just go to beta, and there you go. Some of them will not have the information. See, because if you click on the show card, the information is not updated, or it's not linked, or it might not be available for this particular company. Then you won't have it. It just says not available. Again, if you want the price change, so again, you click on C2, period symbol, and what you have to do is go on change here, the percentage, click enter, 1%, and you can just go to your home and you can increase the decimals or decrease the decimals. Formatting, you can do it later on. And again, description, what is this company about? Okay, again, equal, go to C2, period, and you want the description, enter, there you go. It gives you the description of the company or what it's about. Oh, let me undo this again. So let's make it like this and wrap text. Undo this and let's format it a bit. So American Airlines is a group. American Airlines Group Inc. is a holding company, primary business activity operation in a major network air carrier. So it will give you this. So you don't have to do anything manually, right? Okay, so this is how you get stock information. Okay, I'm gonna just make it like this so it's readable again. So can I get any other stock information from this function? Yes and no, because this is an inbuilt function and it has limitation. So for example, if you click on it, right, without clicking any cell, just an empty cell, go click on an empty cell, and if you click on it, it will ask, before you select stock, you need the symbol or the name or the symbol or the name to have whatever information you get. But if you click learn more on this, like this tab, and it will have the information of how to use this formula, and it has a small video on how to get the information, right? Okay, now for example, how to get the stocks of other companies, like other countries. Okay, so if you have, for example, if you, let's open another tab, other stocks. For example, Australia, we have something called Australia. Let me make it bigger here again. Australia has a company called BHP. Okay, then let's say you click on stocks here. This is right, ASX, it will show you card. So it's Australian Security Exchange, right? So similarly, you can check information I can access. If you click on it, the about the stock financial data sources, these are the companies you can get: Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, China, Denmark. These are the stock exchanges you can access from this. It's a limited, but and it will show you the delay, the minutes, the data. This is the about the stock market financial exchange. So for example, now I'm using ASX. This is Australian ASX or XAS identifier. So that's why it's showing here as. But if I click B2, sorry, B1 period, and I can get the price of the description. See, it says an Australian based resource company. So similarly, you have to just go here and just to see whatever stock market available. You can go here and just type what stock markets about the stock financials is, and you can get the list, right? And this is Microsoft 2024 model, the version I'm using. But if you have a 365, you can get more advanced data. Okay, so this is a guide, and I'm going to give you this Excel sheet for your references. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I hope this video has some good information for you guys. See you on the next one.